Y'all, I think I reached peak happiness. Because this really is the life. Like, come on. Literally gorgeous. Clear blue water. You can see the fishies down there. Mm-hmm. Can you guys see the little lizard right there? Wait, the lizard did?
Yeah.
Oh, I wonder if I got that on camera.
I'm just getting rid of the salt.
Maybe. Like, that view is priceless. Right? Welcome to our room at the Kimpton Grand Roatan Resort and Spa. First, you have this nice little entryway, and then you turn over here, we have a nice sliding barn door. We love that. Into our amazing, beautiful bathroom. We have a walk-in shower, waterfall, shower head. I think that's what it's called. You come over here, we have our double his and her sinks. Beautiful decor, love that. Little toilet over on the side. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, and then follow me this way. We have our little walk-in. We have our little beverage station here. We're on our second day, so things are a little messy in here, but nice bed. We have our TV over there. You come in. Don't show them the mess. Don't show them the mess. And then we have a nice little lounge area, table and chairs, and then the best part, look at this beautiful view. We have our own private little mini pool. Gorgeous, gorgeous view. We love that. And then our porch is a nice walk around all the way around. Shall we take you outside? I think so. I think so. We walk out here.
Try for the bees.
And we come around. We can sit here. It's a little foggy out here because of the humidity. So you sit here, enjoy this nice little view. Yes. Beautiful, beautiful. Love. We are headed to dinner. Look how cute our fits are.
Oh, yeah.
Gorgeous. All right, we will see you down at dinner. Headed to dinner. Thank you. Look how beautiful this hall is. There's a little table and little chairs. Cute. Gotta show them the people. So cute. These are all real plants, by the way, that I'm growing. Tell them what kind of plants they are, babe.
Oh, there's all kinds of different ones.
Philodendron. What else? Okay, thank you. Yeah, thank you. I told Corey to record the vibes because they're immaculate. Gorgeous. Our first appetizer just come. Our first appetizer just came, and Corey's gonna tell you what it is.
All I know is there's some conch and there's some pineapple and a tostada.
Oh.
There's some flowers, some nice living arrangements.
Beautiful presentation. We
Maybe
love
those
that.
aren't alive.
Oh, okay.
But there's a coral head. Look at that.
Beautiful. We're gonna dig in because that looks so yummy.
So conky.
Conky. Okay, first of all, I just took a bite of this conch. It is spectacular. It is so good. Let me get a piece. See? Cheers. So good. What do you say?
It's yummy. Reminds me of ceviche.
Oh yeah.
It's got flavor in like that.
The flavor is so good. Like it's the perfect amount of flavor. It's not overpowering, but it's not like too light. So good. Okay, our entrees just came. I got the saffron risotto with grilled octopus on top. Beautiful. And Corey got a lamb rack, which looks really good. Okay, let's dig in. Birds are chirping. The light is coming out. It's not hot. We're heading to the gym.
Hey, the hummingbird.
Hummingbird? Can you see her? Whoa. It's a little humid. Beautiful morning. Heading to the gym. And then breakfast after. Gorgeous.
Oh, look at this thing.
Wipe this camera. Oh. It's more clear.
There's one sitting on the broom.
I don't know if you can see it.
It's so small. She's taking a picture.
Gorgeous morning. Palm tree.
Come here, hummingbird.
Such a nice morning. Beautiful, quiet, wonderful. So yesterday we went on a snorkeling excursion at 2 different locations. Do you remember the name of the location?
Not a chance.
Okay, but they have the second largest Great Barrier Reef here, and we were snorkeling that. We saw 2 stingrays, turtle, barracuda, whole bunch of beautiful fish. It was so beautiful. Peak happiness. That was my peak happiness during that. Being in the water, seeing all the beautiful sea life. Is it sea life or marine life? Both are the same, right?
Either or.
Yeah. It was such an amazing experience. And now, today, I don't know what our plans are, but I'll be bringing you along. So we just got done eating breakfast, which the breakfast here is so nice. It's like a whole buffet bar of fruits. There's oatmeal, there's cereal, cold meats, cheeses. You can make your own like bagels. What else is there? Chia seed pudding. And then they have a whole buffet bar of like hot foods, and every single day it changes. So today there were eggs, chocolate pancakes, different styled eggs as well, and like chorizo, barbecue chorizo. What else? Zucchini. They have like salad as well. Whole bunch of different options. I'll have to film it for you guys tomorrow because it looks amazing. So many options, such a variety. They have like fresh juices too. Amazing. But we're gonna go snorkel on our own. Yesterday we went snorkeling on an excursion. So we had like a little tour guide. We went to a couple of different locations. But our hotel has a little snorkeling area right off of our beach. So that's what we're gonna go at today. We have our own snorkeling gear, which Corey bought mine, little pink one. And I also have fins as well. So we're gonna go out there, snorkel for a little bit, and then probably come back. We're gonna go tour the west end, which is more of like a popular area. There's like shops and stuff like that. So probably go there for like lunch area or like late afternoon. So we can tour around there, eat some lunch there, and then catch our little shuttle thing back to our hotel. But I plan on taking you guys with us to that so we can show you around. But so far, this place has been so amazing. Hands down, the best vacation I've been on so far. Just the vibes, the atmosphere, the things to do, like the clear blue water, just so beautiful. So I'm glad I can show you guys and share this vacation with you all, and then also have it for like a memory for us to look back on. But yeah, I'll see you guys after snorkeling. Getting some lunch. Hey, are you excited for food? This is lunch for today. I got blackened wahoo tacos with some chips and salsa, and Corey got a fried wahoo po' boy with some fries. Yay! We are going to dig in. We are in West End in Roatan currently. That's where like all the shops are. And we just stopped to get some coffee. I got an iced matcha latte with vanilla added, and Corey got a like frappuccino. And then we're doing a little bit of shopping. They have a whole bunch of like cute things. But here is the little coffee shop. They have a little slot there, and the vibes, love it. And then here's the view outside. Beautiful. Look how pretty this is. Oh yeah. This is the frappe that Corey got.
Crazy latte.
Crazy latte. And then here's my little matcha. We love a matcha. How's it taste?
Amazing.
Get a little, I don't know what I'm saying. We got a little stir. There we go. That's good.
You didn't see it in the straw.
Vibes. back to our room, and then I'm gonna take you guys snorkeling. Going snorkeling, what's new? You know, there's just something about being one with the fishies out there, you know? Like, it's so nice, you know, you're just swimming along, little fishy comes swimming next to you, and then you see the little reef, and then, yeah, nice sun shining down, and you pop out of the water, and you see that you're in the middle of the water, and you see the clear blue color, and then you see the shore. It's wonderful, beautiful. One thing is too, we're recording, we have like a little baggie, waterproof baggie with our phones in it that we're recording while we're snorkeling, but the videos and pictures do not do it justice. Like, this is something you have to see for yourself in person. Like, hands down the best experience you will ever have, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's so pretty. Once in a lifetime experience. You definitely have to try it. If you've never been snorkeling in clear blue water before, this is your sign. Go. Book the flight, book the hotel, get on the flight, head there, just do it. Just do it.
guy's kind of like whitish.
Hi, kitty cat.
Where'd your tail go?
Uh-oh, a nub. Chicken nugget. Little chicken nugget tail.
Just a proper gentleman.
So pretty. The light coming in. Yeah, look at your back tattoo. That's so cool in the sun.
Take a picture, I want to see.
Can you see how clear that water is? Beautiful. We love it. We love it. Look at this view. It's gorgeous. I love it here. The best. And I got my hair done yesterday. Nice little braids. I got it done on the beach by a local. Vibes, island vibes. That's what it is. Hello guys. I'm currently at the Houston airport. That's where our layover is. And our flight got delayed about 2 hours. So we've been stuck at the airport. And we are just chilling. Corey's not very happy about being stuck at the airport, but we're making do. We got some snacks, some coffee. I think we'll land in Columbus around 2 a.m. I believe, so it's gonna be a late one. But I figured I'd hop on here and to give you guys a little bit of a recap and how I like the vacation. First of all, the best part has to be the snorkeling. We went snorkeling every single day. No matter how many times we went, like it was beautiful. Like we couldn't get enough of it. And then breakfast. So we had breakfast vouchers for each day, and breakfast was basically like 3 buffet bars, local traditional food, as well as like more Americanized breakfasts as well. So we had a lot of different options. My favorite was, I think it's called Baleada. It's like a traditional local breakfast item or breakfast food. Balada, I think. Yeah, so good. It's basically like a thicker tortilla filled with like beans, eggs, a couple other toppings, whatever you want to put in it, but it was really good. And then I basically had seafood for every single meal, which fantastic, loved it. Our hotel was very nice. Everybody was so nice. They said hi to you, greeted you. Everybody like waved hi and said hi in passing, so that was really nice. But we didn't get to explore the island as much, which we were planning on doing that, but we ended up staying on the beach closer to our hotel, and we kind of explored just along the beach area. But our flight to Honduras, to Roatan, our initial flight got delayed, and therefore we weren't going to make our connecting flight. We had like a 4-minute layover. So we tried to figure out what we could do, but there were no options, so we had to push our flight to Roatan back a day. So we lost a day in Roatan, which we were sad about, but it's fine. We'll plan for the next vacation. I told Corey we can't plan a vacation that's less than 10 days. It has to be 10 days or longer for sure. But we absolutely loved this vacation. Roatan was beautiful, and Corey used to live in Key West and he did salvage diving, so he really enjoyed being able to be in the water and kind of not dive but snorkel. He wanted to go diving, but I'm not certified to go diving, so he compromised and went snorkeling with me. But it was a lot of fun. Highly recommend. it's just one of those things that you kind of have to experience yourself, because it just is an amazing experience to just be in the water and experience all the beauty that it has. So yeah, but hands down one of the best vacations I've been on. Yeah, I want to just recap and share with you guys, but hopefully I'll see you guys once we make it back to Columbus. This is Corey right now, so over the airport. This airport is actually pretty nice though. Oh yeah, tell me why airport stuff is so expensive for no reason whatsoever. Corey got a cheesecake, like a piece of cheesecake and a water for like $18. Like, are you kidding me? And then I got a burger once we landed because we were starving. And tell me why just a hamburger, a cheeseburger, no fries included, just the burger was $15. Like, what? You're kidding. But gotta do what you gotta do and pay full price for that food. Well, overpriced food. But we're stuck here, so we had to do it, sadly. But yeah, I just want to share with you guys, like, why are these things so expensive for no reason? Anyway, as you can see, Corey and I made it back home really late last night, like 2 a.m. in the morning. It's currently next day, but we're excited to be back with our little fur babies. We're sad that vacation is over and we're sad to be back home and not on the beach, but we're excited to be back home with our fur babies, get back into routine, get things organized and situated for the week ahead. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little vacation vlog. I know that we did, but I'll see you guys in the next video.